In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send audio messages in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open up your Slack desktop app, or if you prefer, log in through your web browser. Once you're in, navigate to the specific team channel, private group, or direct message where you'd like to send your audio message. It's really important to make sure you're in the right conversation, so your message reaches the right audience. Now that you're in the correct channel or DM, look down at the bottom of your screen where you'll find the message input box. There, you'll see a small plus icon on the left side of that box. Go ahead and click on that little plus sign. This will open up a media menu with additional options for you. From the options that pop up, select Upload from your computer. This action will prompt your computer's file browser to open up. Now, take a moment to navigate through your files and find the voice note or recorded audio file you want to share. Once you've pinpointed the right audio file, click on it to select it. After you confirm your selection, Slack will begin uploading the file for you. This usually only takes a few moments, so just hang tight while Slack processes your audio file. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a preview of your audio file show up in the message box. This is your chance to add a bit of context. If you'd like, you can type a brief text message or description alongside your audio file to help your team understand what the audio message contains. Adding context is a great way to ensure your message gets received clearly. Now, when you're ready to share your audio, just click the Send button. Boom! You've instantly shared an audio message in the chat, making communication more dynamic and personal. And there you have it. Sending audio messages in Slack is quite straightforward once you know the steps. It's a fantastic way to convey tone and emotion, or simply to make sure you're getting your point across without having to type everything out. If you're looking for a bit more flexibility in communication with your team, make this method a part of your routine. Whether it's for project updates, quick clarifications, or even just to check in with teammates, audio messages can add a layer of connection that plain text often lacks. So to recap, navigate to your conversation, access the media menu by clicking the plus icon, select and upload your audio file, add any additional context you'd like, and then send it off. It's as easy as that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to stay updated on more great tips.